This is a little cozy corner over here. And I've got my new antique chair with a green velvet bow, and then I just added a little green wreath sitting right on top of it. I just thought it was so spring-like, and it just sits there beautifully. It doesn't sit as well in my dining room chair, so I just thought this would be a cute little corner to have a little bit of spring here, green and white. Just looks so cute. And this is a vignette I put together with some speckled eggs, my brand new basket, a beloved bunny, and a speckled egg. Just a cute little vignette that says spring. Love it. This is another vignette that I was working on this weekend for spring. Has another one of those Easter bunnies, and then I thought it would be really cool to put a bunny in a basket with a speckled egg and some sisal. So this is my vignette on my farmhouse shelf for spring. Okay, I put this vignette together on my petite French server, and I just thought that the grass was so perfect for spring with a carrot coming up. It just made me laugh. I thought it was such a cute vignette. I've got a white candlestick and a black and white, and then I've got a black wrought iron tray. Okay, I put this vignette together in my kitchen. It is a retro bunny with a copper kettle, my beloved tools, and a galvanized plate. I thought this vignette turned out really cute. The bottom I bought separate, and the top came from grandma's stuff. So I just put it in there with a little wood slice, an Easter bunny, and a heart. Turned out super cute. I might do the base dark later. What do you think? Should I stain the base a dark stain to match the top knob? It's a possibility. But when I bought this riser, it was notched, and the glass fits right in there. Love it. And I put this vignette together, and this little guy is hopping all over my house. I tell you what, he gets around at Easter. So I've just got him right on the kitchen counter with a cute little creamer and plate set. Yeah, I love it. Okay, this little vignette is on my peninsula. Let me move back a little bit. Oh, we're losing the eggs. They fell down in the rungs of the chair. So this made me laugh because it looks like a real live Easter egg hunt. Like I meant to put them in there. This is crazy. Easter egg hunt, found the eggs. I win. Seriously, I'm gonna put them back here because I just kind of like them scattered around haphazardly. But this cute little bunny, I've got an Easter basket that I can throw Easter candy in, and then I've got a chalkboard for an Easter message. Thought it was super cute. So thank you for coming over to see my Easter spring cozy corner vignettes. It is currently snowing outside, but this kind of Easter decor just makes me feel like it's spring in my house. So I'm so glad that you came over to watch and see what I'm up to. And I'd like to thank the hostess and the hosts. Check out the playlist. Check out the hostess and the hostesses channels We've got a great bunch here, just putting stuff together and having a fun time. So until next time, guys, happy spring.